So some dietary considerations when we're talking about chronic fatigue, post-viral fatigue, or long COVID is that the combination of different environmental stresses and infections eventually add up to lead to mitochondrial failure. And this leads to low energy state in the cells, leading to the fatigue. Almost always there is a component of viral infections or parasitic infections or intracellular atypical bacterial infections that lead to mitochondrial failure. What's important to know is that almost all of these pathogens, the microbes that lead to chronic fatigue, have the same nutritional requirements for growth, so that by eating certain foods you could actually be feeding these infections and worsening the problem. Almost all of these pathogens use arginine as a nutritional food for themselves, and the proteins that they have contain a much higher amount of arginine as opposed to lysine. And it's lysine and arginine are two amino acids that compete with one another for entry into your body from the intestines and also for entry into the cells. So if you consume foods that are high in arginine and low in lysine, you will likely make your situation worse. And if you have more lysine in your diet as opposed to arginine, you'll probably help to improve your fatigue. There are 4 things in the diet that are pretty high in arginine versus lysine: nuts, seeds, grapes, and oranges. So many things that are derived from these as well. So things like almond milk, or nut butters, or orange juice or wine will most likely cause or stimulate the growth of these microbes and lead to worsening situation for chronic fatigue. There are times where you do want to consume these and couple them with antiviral antibiotics or regular antimicrobial antibiotics to try to get rid of the disease, but you should really only do that under the supervision of someone who knows about the growth cycle of these pathogens and can help you reduce the overall number of pathogens in your body and hopefully improve your situation.